Welcome back to Medi Today. We have a news to discuss on an important update from the Government of India that aims to strengthen the Make in India initiative. Let's dive into the details of the revised Public Procurement Order 2024. On 19 July 2024, the Ministry of Commerce and Industry issued a revised Public Procurement Order. This order is designed to promote local manufacturing and production by giving preference to goods and services with higher local content in public procurement. Here are the key highlights of this significant policy update. First, let's understand the classifications of suppliers under this order. Class 1 local supplier must have a minimum of 50% local content. Class 2 local supplier must have a minimum of 20% local content. Non-local supplier has less than 20% local content. The order outlines specific procedures for awarding contracts. Divisible contracts. If the lowest bid, L1, is not from a Class 1 local supplier, 50% of the order will be awarded to L1 and the remaining 50% will be offered to the lowest Class 1 local supplier within the margin of purchase preference. Non-divisible contracts. If L1 is not a Class 1 local supplier, the lowest Class 1 local supplier within the margin of purchase preference will be invited to match the L1 price. There are also exemptions and special provisions. Small purchases, procurements below 5 lakhs rupees are exempt from this order. Spares and consumables, exemptions for closed systems and maintenance contracts with OEM. PLI scheme, manufacturers under the PLI scheme are treated as deemed Class 2 local suppliers. Verification of local content is crucial. Self-certification, required for all suppliers. Auditor certification, mandatory for procurements above 10 crores rupees. Penalties, up to 10% of the contract value for false declarations. A standing committee has been constituted to oversee the implementation of this order. This committee will meet at least once every 6 months to ensure compliance and address any issues that arise. This revised order is a significant step towards boosting local manufacturing and ensuring that public procurement contributes to the Make in India initiative. It aims to create more jobs and enhance the country's economic growth. What are your thoughts on the revised Public Procurement Order 2024? Do you think it will effectively boost local manufacturing in India? Share your views in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the link in the video description for more information. Follow our Medi Today channel for more updates and engaging content like this.